The guys over at Tekno RC continue to push the boundaries with their competition-winning RC vehicles and now present a new lightweight version 4-wheel drive short course truck based off their EB and ET410 platforms, the Tekno RC SCT410SL. The SCT410SL is a lightweight alternative to the SCT410.3 and is designed to make the truck quicker and more nimble for use on racetracks where enhanced agility and a lighter vehicle are advantageous. Special features to highlight with this new truck include a 4mm CNC machined black anodized long wear chassis with new Nerf bars, stronger hardened steel stub axles with M5 nuts, front and rear 70-75 aluminum camber plates, and new black anodized tapered drive shafts. The 13mm big bore shocks are fully adjustable and there are a few new spring options as well. A new CNC 70-75 one-piece motor mount with preset gearing options keeps things simple while ensuring your mesh stays consistent run after run. The SCT410SL also includes new front and rear chassis brace sets, lightweight bumpers, and new body mounts that bolt directly onto the shock towers. The strong HD outdrives and diff couplers complete the durable design of the vehicle. These are just a few of the high quality components that make the SCT410SL extremely competitive in its class. As usual, inside the box we'll find everything we need to build the rolling chassis by constructing a bag at a time, each labelled in order. As we work our way through each bag, we build a little more of the vehicle, slowly attaching built parts together, at which point we'll have a complete rolling chassis. Alongside the kit bags we find the thread lock, black grease and the various fluids needed throughout the build, which we'll cover in more detail as we proceed, as well as a 4mm thick machined aluminum chassis and the decal sheet to accompany it. Although note that there is no body included with this kit, so you'll need to provide your own SCT body instead. When it comes to tools, you'll need a pretty standard set of RC tools to build the entire kit. Hex and nut drivers for instance, nothing really out of the ordinary here, although I would definitely specifically recommend the Tekno 1115 shock shaft pliers. We'll also need some turnbuckle wrenches. Specifically recommended is the Tekno 1103 wrench, which has 4 and 5mm ends, and the Tekno 1119, which is 5.5 and 7mm. Oh, and a hobby knife and needle nose pliers come in very handy too. All the fluids you'll need are included with the package, everything except O-ring grease that is, so we'll need some of that too, and that should cover us when it comes to everything we need to build the entire kit. All in all, as we'd expect from Tekno, everything really looks high quality here. We'll take a more detailed look at the contents of each bag as we proceed, although note that much of the build is the same as the various other Tekno RC vehicles, so there'll be some repetition here, but nevertheless join me in the next video where we'll get started with bag A, the center differential.